I'm Jacob. This is my 1989 Nissan Skyline R32 GTST.
Start with the exterior. It's pretty much stock. Nice and simple. Stock body lines. Got some Enkei RPF1s. You might have seen these wheels before somewhere. Pretty rare. But they are 17 by 9s plus 35 offset all the way around. I have a 3mm spacer up front, 5mm spacer in the back. Rolled the fenders, just the lips to make them fit a little bit better. Now the wheels are paired with Falcon Zenith 615s. They're 235 40 17s all the way around. Really love this tire. For suspension, I have some ISR Coilovers and some camber arms, which I don't know the name of because they came from Japan that way, but I'm sure glad they had them. Because if not, these wheels would not have fit. Yes, it revs. It's all set up. I have a ISR 3-inch stainless. It goes from the downpipe to the cat, and then from the cat to the tip. And I have a cat delete, which is from for the most part, it's pretty much stock. Nothing done inside the engine yet. Valve covers were some ugly shady green when I got it, so hit this with black. The valve cover's white. So I deleted the plastics in here as the wiper fluid and coolant overflow because they look old. Also deleted all emission lines that I could find that didn't need to be here, like the charcoal canister, for example. So over here, you can see we have a catch can from eBay. Also have a coolant overflow. Yep, you guessed it. This is an oil filter relocation kit by Circuit Sport. Originally designed for an SR20, however, supposed to be a Nissan. I made it fit. It just makes the oil filter in a much more accessible location. And it gives me the opportunity to add a oil pressure sender and an oil temperature sender. As you can see down there, there's no way to take that oil filter off without getting oil everywhere. Trust me. For those of you that know a little bit about these cars, you notice that I'm missing something right here. The last project this winter was to completely eliminate the HICUS system. For those of you that don't know, the HICUS is the adaptive rear steering that came on these cars, which is cool, but I'm not really interested in it. And it's just about 1,000 different places for it to leak, which it did. I got a Chase Bays kit that turns about 15 lines into 3. So for the pump, it was pretty simple. I opened up the rear housing of it, took out the fins in the pump so it doesn't create any pressure, and just blocked it off with a bolt. So it's very simple now. I have a reservoir to the pump, high pressure to the rack, return line, back to the reservoir. Nice and simple. Took about 50 pounds worth of lines out of this thing. Still have a stock radiator and a stock clutch fan. Clutch fans are great. I don't care what you say. This thing has never even come close to overheating, and I have not been kind to it. So I still have the stock seats. I actually really like them. However, I think I'm gonna get a bucket. This is a Nardi. Came with the car when it was imported. Boots that came with the car were all torn up, all tattered. Just thought it would be a cool idea. I found some cherry blossom fabric online and never sewed before in my life, but I thought I'd give it a shot. This here is the charm from Japanese Classics, which is where I got the car. I used it to hide my sewing. Here I just have some gauges I wired up. double-sided tape has let me down, but they're from Autometer. Just have an oil pressure, boost, oil temp. Yes, I have the stereotypical dash bubble in all R32s. Now it's time to go get groceries. We're making pizza tonight. That is where a corner light should be. So the mount for my corner light has been broken for a while, but for the sake of the video, I just kind of set it in there and forgot about it and then drove away. So I think the lesson for today is don't be an idiot. Have a good one.